Hi, little friends. Once again, we are together at our favorite learning platform by now, that is Learn Forward. And your grammar buddy Mini is here with your book, The Grammar Hub by Feathercap for Grade 1. We'll be starting a new topic again today. What is that? This is chapter number 13 of your book, Conjunctions, that are joining words. So when we join words, we use a word that is called a conjunction. What are these words? Want to know? Let's learn about them. We have a review exercise here. Look at the picture and write the names of any 6 things here given in the 6 spaces that are given to you. So you see lots of things here, and can we start writing the names, please? You can write any 6 that you see. We see more than 6 here, any 6. Let's start with the clock. Okay. Then we have the lamp. And we have the sofa. We have the vase also. Cat. I can hear somebody saying cat. Is cat a thing? No. Cat is not a thing. It is an animal. We are not going to write. We have so many choice, so many options here. So we'll not write cat here. It's not a thing. It's an animal. And ball. Yes, you can write. You can write flowers. You can write chair. You can write mat. So many things are here. Write anything. You can see book also. You can see a table here. And write any 6 of your choice. So starting with the journey now, we'll be learning about prepositions. And I just told you, it comes from the word itself, position. So the words that tell you the position of nouns, they are called prepositions. They are the position words. So the words that tell us about the location or position of nouns, they are position words, or they are called the prepositions also. Like, let us see where the different things, where the different nouns are located, and then we'll ping on the prepositions. Look at this teddy toy. Where is the toy? The toy is in the box. So this word in is showing the position of the toy in relation to the box. So this is a preposition. The cup is, where is the cup? See the relation between the cup and the table. The cup is on the table. So on is again the preposition. But here what do you see? Where is the dog? It is under the chair. So this word under is telling you where is the dog. It is telling you the location, the position of the dog in relation to chair. The aeroplane. Where is the aeroplane? It is over the tree. It is not on the tree, students. Let us see the difference. When we say on, the surface is together. One thing which is on is touching the surface of the other. But when it is not touching, we say over. So this is over the tree. It is not touching the top of the tree. Over is the preposition here. Let's look for more sentences. The ball is, where is the ball? It is near the basket. The boy is behind. Can you see? He is behind the tree. So near, behind the book. Where is the book? It is in front of Kian. So this again is showing the position of the book in relation to Kian. This is again a preposition. And where is the frog? It is between flowers. So again, you have the position word here, the location, and these words are called prepositions. So we have some common prepositions here. Over, not touching, above. In, when something is inside. Behind, it's hidden. By is another preposition. Before, under, between, near, beside, after, on, to. So these are some examples of commonly used prepositions. They tell you the location, the position of the nouns in the sentence. So let's do this exercise. Pick out the prepositions from the following and you have to write them in the given space. So let us just pick out. You'll write the words here, prepositions in the given space. The farmer is sitting under the tree. So it is telling you what location it is in relation to the tree. Where is the cat? Behind the tree. Pile is among the girls. Do you remember when we talked about the frog? It was just between two flowers. So when we have between, we have two. But when we have many, we say among. So pile is among the girls means the girls are more than two. I read in class first. I live at Ramnagar. There is a bridge over the river because the bridge does not touch the river. So it is over the river. I hope you have understood these few differences I have told you. Yes. So moving ahead, look at the given picture. Fill in the correct prepositions. Can you see this picture? And there are different things here. So we have to tell the location, the position of them using the words that are given in the help box. Let's try to do them with the help of the help box and your picture. The girl is dash the table. So where is the girl? Near the table. She is not on the table, under the table, behind the table, in the table. You can also say she is behind the table. You can also say she is near the table. So the girl is behind the table, or you can also say near the table. The pencil is, where is it located? On the table, it is touching the surface. And where is the cat? In the basket. So the cat is enjoying her sleep in the basket. Where is ball? The ball is under the table. And see the chair. We are left with chair now. Chair is near the table. It cannot be behind. So here only one word is possible. That means for the girl, you can say only behind if you don't have to repeat, right? Otherwise, both are possible. She is standing near the table also. She is standing behind the table also. So now what you know? You know about prepositions, that prepositions are the position words. They tell you the location or position of the nouns in the sentence. And they are also called prepositions. So let's do some exercise now. Tick the correct answer. The book is dash the table. Can you see the picture? What is the location? It is on the table. And where is the ball? It is under the bed. Where is the box? It is behind the chair. The boy is, where is it? Under the tree. Yes. Let's do more. The pencil is, where do you see the pencil? In the bag. Yes. And the aeroplane is over the tree. Can you see in the picture? The aeroplane is over the tree. So this is how we use preposition, by looking at the position of the nouns. So prepositions are the position words. They show you the location of nouns in the sentence. That's all in prepositions. We'll be coming ahead with more sessions on grammar. Till then, enjoy learning, keep having fun. Happy learning, children.